Dai. Now that's full train is empty. Nobody. Only we. We are people in the train. Come, come. Let's follow me. Follow me. Follow me, man. When you leave that train, maybe 50 after 50 minutes, maybe trains. Yeah, full of trains. Somebody have. It has somebody in here in the train. No problem. Stiamo guardando tutto il treno dove guarda che foto proprio il treno. Comunque stiamo cercando un posto bello che dove c'è un po' di gente perché non vogliamo mettere sola. There's a first floor and train is second floor. We are staying in the first floor on the train. Yeah, but find some people in the train. Oh my God. Full train is empty. Train is empty. Nobody in the side in the train. So we can we can go second floor. Let's try to second floor. Come, oh man. What do you say? We are sitting here in second floor. What do you say? It's proprio vuoto, nessuno qua. Possiamo mettere qua, che dici? Che dici? Mettiamo qua comunque, questo è bello posto, non è mica male qua. The train maybe after 15 minutes parte da Roma, veramente non so sicuro.